Welcome back. Today, we're building one of the most iconic paper airplanes ever made, the classic Dart. Chances are you've folded this design before, but in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make it and share a few tips to get the best results. To get started, grab a standard sheet of paper. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a center crease, then unfold it. Next, fold the top left and top right corners into the center crease, forming a sharp point at the front. Now take the two angled edges you just created and fold them inward to the center line once again. This gives the airplane a slimmer, more aerodynamic nose. At this point, you have two ways to finish the airplane. You can fold it so the layered flaps stay on the outside, or reverse the fold so they end up on the inside. Both versions work, and it's mostly a matter of personal preference. Once you've chosen your style, fold the airplane in half. Now create the wings by folding one side down so the top edge lines up neatly with the bottom of the body. Turn the airplane over and repeat the same fold on the opposite side, making sure both wings are even. Your classic Dart is now complete. If the airplane doesn't fly straight, gently bend the back edge of each wing upward, just a tiny bit. These small adjustments can make a noticeable difference in stability and flight performance. Although this is one of the simplest paper airplanes you can build, it's also a great starting point for experimenting with better designs and flight improvements. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me which paper airplane you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next flight. If you want it to sound more like Mr. Beast, Foldable Flight, or a high-retention viral YouTube script, I can rewrite it in that style as well. Rewrite it in that style.